Hey seniors, I want to take a quick couple minutes to show you how to add colleges to your Naviance account. You'll see here we're logged in today as Lenny. In order to add a college, you're going to go to the top of the screen and you're going to click on the colleges button and then colleges I'm applying to. You'll see I've already added University of Northern Iowa, but to add another college, I'm going to click on the pink plus sign and I'm going to go find the college I'm applying to. So I'm going to look for Coe College. Once I find Coe, I'm going to click on that, and then under application type, I'm going to make sure it's the correct application type. So most of our students will do regular decision. You probably want to keep it as regular decision. Below that is how you'll submit your application. So you have a couple options here, via Common App or direct to the institution. If you went to Coe's website, you probably applied direct to the institution. However, some students might have done that via Common App, so please choose this in order to get your transcripts and any other materials sent. So I'm going to say direct to institution here, and then you're going to click whether or not you've submitted your application. This just lets us know that you've done the steps you needed. If you have just started on it and added Coe saying that you're going to apply, you might have a counselor follow up with you on that. Below that is add application or add and request transcript. If you need your initial transcript sent, please click add and request transcript. So I'm going to do that now. On the next screen, it's going to ask what type of transcript you're requesting. We're doing initial transcripts right now. At the end of the year, we'll send final transcripts. So I'm going to click initial and then request and finish. Then you'll see Coe College has been added to my list of options for colleges. And since the Common App is crossed out here, then we know that you submitted your application via Coe's website. If you did use Common App, you need to match your account. So you're going to go up to the corner and click Match Accounts. You'll put in the Common App email address you used and your date of birth, and then you'll click Match Accounts, and that will set you up for Common App. That's all you need to do. It's pretty easy. If you have any questions, please feel free to stop in and see a counselor, and we'll help you out with whatever you need with your college application process. Have a great day.